Best Buy store card versus Best Buy Visa, what's the difference? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about what's the actual difference between the Best Buy store card and Best Buy Visa. So let me just tell you that if you're using Best Buy store card, which can only be used at Best Buy and in store or online, so it's great if you mainly shop there. So if you use Best Buy Visa, it works everywhere as Visa is accepted and giving you more flexibility for everyday purchase. And similarly, rewards at the Best Buy, you can earn both cards as both cards earn 5% back in rewards points, that is 6% for the Elite Plus members. And rewards outside the Best Buy, the Visa version also earns extra 3% back on gas, 2% on dining and groceries, and 1% everywhere else. So neither card charges an annual fee, but interest rates can be high if you carry a balance. So if you shop mostly at Best Buy, the store card is enough. But if you want the rewards everywhere, the Best Buy Visa is a smarter choice. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.